how to collect your data and how to present it so that it's easy to understand to people who will be looking at your data. So you've got two boxes here. Let's start with the left side. At the left side, the left box says insert your data table here with your results. So what you need to do is you will need to make the same data table that you did on slide 5. Create that again. And so you go to insert here, go to table, and you're inserting stuff, right? You resize it. Okay. And make it, let me see if you can get it in. All right. And then make sure that you have small font. And these are the dates. And these are the number of your dependent variables. So for example, I'm counting my plastic bottles. Okay, and make sure that it's small enough. And then this will be my dates. This is 4/5, Monday 4/5, Tuesday 4/6, Wednesday 4/7, Thursday 4/8, Friday 4/9, and Saturday 4/10, and Sunday 4/11. Okay. Let me make that smaller. So now there's my data table, and now since this is the green box, this is already criterion C, now I'm ready to actually put in my results, right? So I have recorded my results every day since Monday to Sunday. I have recorded how many plastic bottles I have counted. So I'm going to put in my numbers here. Okay, those are the numbers that I did. And then I'm going to, out of this table, I'm going to create a bar graph, right? And here's how to do a bar graph. You're going to do a bar graph similar to how you did your bar graph for your digestive system, right? Yeah. So let's go back to Google Drive, and on the waffle, click on Sheets, and you will choose a blank sheet. And then on your blank sheet, you put in your data table. So in your data table, you did dates, right? And then this is number of plastic bottles. Okay, you're just using column A for dates and column B for number of plastic bottles, right? And you're putting Monday 4/5, Tuesday 4/6, right? And you can keep doing that all the way to Sunday. Okay? And then now you put in the numbers that you have recorded on here. So make sure that you record the correct numbers. You're sticking true to your data. Stay true to your data. Don't guess. Keep going back and forth to make sure that you have put in the correct numbers. So I have 589. So I'm going to do that correctly. So Monday is 5, Tuesday is 8, Wednesday is 9. I'm going to go back to my data table. So where is it? And then Thursday is 10, Friday is 4, Saturday is 2, 10, 4, 2, and then Sunday is 3. 10, 4, 2, and 3. Okay? 10, 4, 2, and 3. All right? Don't think it's inconvenient if you keep going back and forth between your Google slide and your sheets. Just keep doing it, because that's what scientists do. We keep going back to our notes. Okay, so now I'm ready to create a bar graph. So I'm going to select all of these cells that I put things in, collect all of them, nothing more, nothing less. And then I click on the Insert Chart icon on my toolbar. And I don't want a line graph, I want a bar graph. So on here, I'm going to click on bar graph here, column chart, and this is what I want. And this is complete. It has my titles, my title for my chart, my title for my x-axis, my title for my y-axis, and then it has my dates right here. Everything is complete. All right, so I'm going to click on the ellipsis on my chart, and I'm going to go to copy chart, go back to my summative, and I am going to click on here in my right green box, right click on it, paste it. I can do either one. I'll go paste unlinked, and there's my bar graph. And I will resize it so that it fits in my green box. Just to be clear, the dates that I gave, that's just an example. So for me, that's a personal choice. I'm choosing Monday to start my measurements and then ending on Sunday. You can start any day of the week. You can start on a Tuesday, you can start on a Wednesday, as long as you do it for 7 consecutive days.